Welcome to the future of home security with the Ring Video Doorbell in stunning satin nickel. This cutting-edge device offers a seamless blend of style, functionality, and peace of mind. Imagine being able to see and speak to anyone at your door, no matter where you are, with crystal clear 1080p HD video quality. Whether it's a delivery person, a visitor, or an unexpected guest, the Ring Video Doorbell ensures that you're always in the know. Crystal clear video quality. The 1080p HD video resolution provides exceptional clarity, allowing you to see every detail in vibrant color. With a wide-angle lens that covers your entire entryway, you'll never miss a moment. The infrared night vision feature ensures that you can monitor your home day or night. This advanced video technology means that whether it's the bright sunlight of noon or the shadows of midnight, you'll have a clear view of who's at your door. Improved motion detection. One of the standout features of the Ring Video Doorbell is its improved motion detection capabilities. With customizable motion zones, you can set specific areas for the device to monitor. This means you'll receive alerts only when it matters, eliminating unnecessary notifications. The advanced algorithms detect movement accurately, sending instant alerts to your smartphone or tablet whenever someone approaches your door. Feel secure knowing that you're always one step ahead, as the Ring will keep you informed of any activity outside your home. Easy installation. Installing the Ring Video Doorbell is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design. Whether you choose to wire it into your existing doorbell system or opt for battery power, the setup process is straightforward and efficient. The package includes all the necessary tools and instructions, so you can get your doorbell up and running in no time. With the added benefit of a quick-release battery, maintaining your device is simple and hassle-free, ensuring that you always stay connected. Two-way talk feature. Communicating with visitors has never been easier. The Ring Video Doorbell features a two-way talk system, allowing you to speak with anyone at your door through your smartphone. Whether you're at work, out shopping, or relaxing at home, you can greet your guests, tell delivery drivers where to leave packages, or deter unwanted visitors, all with just a few taps on your device. This feature enhances your home security and adds an extra layer of convenience to your daily routine. Integration with smart home devices. The Ring Video Doorbell seamlessly integrates with a variety of smart home systems, including Alexa. With voice commands, you can view live footage on compatible devices or receive notifications about visitors. This integration allows you to expand your home security system, connecting various devices for a comprehensive solution tailored to your needs. Sleek, modern design. With its elegant satin nickel finish, the Ring Video Doorbell is not just a security device, it's a stylish addition to your home's exterior. Its modern design enhances your entryway while providing high-tech functionality. The durable construction ensures that it withstands the elements, ensuring long-lasting performance. Elevate your home security with the Ring Video Doorbell, 1080p HD video, improved motion detection, easy installation, satin nickel. With its combination of high-definition video, advanced motion detection, and user-friendly features, this doorbell is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their home's safety and convenience. Stay connected to your home, regardless of where life takes you. Upgrade your entryway with the Ring Video Doorbell today, and experience the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is secure. Make your home smarter, safer, and more stylish with the Ring Video Doorbell.